Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you one thing, maybe it happens with you often. In the last hour your work, that your boss gave you a bunch of Excel sheet and asked you to make a total summary report and submit till tomorrow morning in first hour and you will work till late night. I am telling you because I have passed through all this late night work. Even I also used to do that all one by one until I got to know about this powerful inbuilt Excel tool called Power Query. In today's video, I'm going to show you an absolute game changer. How to combine multiple Excel files into one using Power Query. If you're tired of merging spreadsheets manually, this tool is about to save you tons of time and effort. And the best part, it's fast, easy, and you don't need to be an Excel expert to do it. So whether you're managing financial data, working with reports, or just need to consolidate files, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. These all are Excel files that I need to combine and make report. As you can see, this folder contain 53 Excel workbook and making all one. By one, it's going to take me long time. Let's open one Excel sheet and understand data. If you have familiar with Excel, you can understand these data. Here in column D have part number, which are repeated. In column F, we have description. In column G, we have quantity. Column I, gross weight, and column L with its CBM, which we need to summarize. Like this sheet, we have 53 and need to combine all. Sound exhausted from onward, you don't need to worry. To understand, please don't skip the video because there are very small steps. If you miss, it's not going to work. Let's start by opening a new Excel workbook. To access Power Query, head over to the Data tab. Here, we'll use the Get Data feature to pull in the Excel files we want to combine. Now, instead of pulling data from individual files, we're going to pull everything from a folder. This allows us to import all files at once, which makes it much easier when you're dealing with lots of data. As you remember, my all Excel file was on folder named Training. Once you select your folder, Power Query gives you a quick preview of all the files inside. You'll see columns like file name, date modified, and so on. Next, we'll hit Combine and select Combine and Load. This will merge all of the Excel files into one neat file. Power Query even gives you a preview of how the data will look. And just like that, Power Query has combined all the files. In case there is multiple sheets inside the workbook, it will show you the sheet name. Just select the sheet you want to combine and you would see the preview of that sheet in a right side. If you got sure, you can simply press OK. Boom, you've successfully combined multiple Excel files into one. Now all of your data is in one place, and whenever new files are added to the folder, Power Query can automatically update the data with just a click. In some of the cases, data are not managed properly in sheet. Power Query doesn't work as we expect. To make all clear, we need to clean data in every sheet, which also can be done in Power Query Editor window. If you want to learn more about data cleaning in Power Query Editor, leave me a comment. I will be happy to make detailed video on that. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe more informative videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care. See you in next video.